watch. Those are some principles no man can defraud. The land with a river flowing with honey. Colonizers take our every money. Get to use them rice and it was not funny. We're losing our people every day because of freedom.
Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, this one now una humble servant, the fearless Don Pacho in the camp for una today. My dear Southern Cameroonians, my dear Ambazonian them, as una di join this live program today, make una di share. Make una di share as una di join, make una di share. I get three main topics them for touch on for this program for today. I get three main topics for touch on for this program today. Number one thing where I get for talk for this program, I go talk about the no election, the so-called regional election where it there inside La Republique where they want carry on for bring up for inside with territory. I go talk on that one. I go talk on the recent infighting where it take place for inside the Ambazonian revolution. And the last thing where me I go talk on the necessity for young people for Ambazonia for rise up. For the young people for Ambazonia for rise up. My fellow countrymen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, like una know, again my name, na the fearless Rebel Don Pacho. I did ever come for una because I believe say when information is there, we need for talk. My dear Southern Cameroonians, my dear people, today, na some wonderful day where Ambazonian they don't wake up. They wake up with tears for their eyes. They wake up with cry. We wake up with cry because we return with gun against each other. We return. We shoot with fellow brothers. We shoot with fellow fighters. My dear people of the revolution, my dear Southern Cameroonians, may we ask ourselves, why we there inside this revolution? Why would we fight this war? Where to bring we for this fight? Where to make we join this Ambazonian quest for liberation? Many of us, we don't forget the goal. We don't forget why we will join the fight. We don't forget why we will start this liberation struggle. We don't turn now politicians. We are not in a political jamboree. We're not there in a political fanfare. We're there in a liberation struggle. We're there for some struggle where they call us a liberation struggle. Where for a liberation struggle, you look at the enemy. You fight now for liberate a people. You fight now because some people then they where they don't suffer for so long. Where you don't stand up for say you want to liberate them. But we don't stand up for this fight for liberation. We turn it into a political jamboree where each and every Ambazonian, he don't choose his own camp, he don't choose his own side. He clap hand for them. He say, if not be this man, then may the revolution is spoiled. May the liberation struggle may it spoil. We don't forget till we people then there for ground zero. For place where all we would call as a ground zero for inside the Ambazonian territory, where they suffer, they don't get for chop. They sleep inside bushes. They then all their own. They think. Say we for diaspora. We were there for white money land. We go help for say make we free them. But we for white money land, we fail them. We give them disgrace. It is a shame for all we will say we there for inside diaspora. So we fight for liberation. Now a big disgrace for diaspora, a big shame. If you don't look yourself as a diaspora, for analyze yourself, for evaluate yourself, for ask yourself if truly we're there for a war of independence, we're there on a liberation struggle, or we're there for a political jamboree, then you need for reason, for think and think again. Because we don't forget, say we want to liberate a people. We don't done with the fight among ourselves. It is a very sad day in the Ambazonian revolution. Always we cry. The other time we cry when they will kill them. For Guzang, the Guzang 23. Or we cry. We point accusing fingers for those who they be commit that act for inside Guzang. We will cry because not be like Republic, not be like the enemy. If we kill those boys them. Boys there when they don't stand up. They talk say they don't take up weapons. For some they defend themselves and defend the territory, the land where you waiting for diaspora. You instigate them. For some they fight among themselves. You put fire. For some they go kill your brother. When they kill themselves, all finish. If they finish, kill themselves. You waiting for diaspora. You sure that you be ready for go back for ground zero. For go fight for defend that land. You waiting for diaspora. You call yourself president. You call yourself CIC. You call yourself chairman. You call yourself this or that title. You sure say you gonna leave this Facebook. You gonna leave this social media where you can't make Facebook speeches every day. For go down for that ground zero. For go defend that land where you so cherish. Where you claim, say you so love. For say you go down, go defend that land, or you go remain for diaspora. The question, make all of these so-called people when they call themselves chairman, CIC, president, may they answer if they fit surrender, for this diaspora, for go down, go defend homeland, for the instigation, where they instigate ground zero, may they fight for their future. And I go blame ground zero fighters. I go blame those boys that where they fight for ground. I go put blame for them. Because people no go shut down for one man country. With them, these people where they call themselves leaders, their future be there like yesterday. Their future, like yesterday they be get them. They not get a future again. Their future go front. They don't already, they went to Premier call and rate them. If they already spoil, they not be get future. Look all of them, where they stand to be leaders. I will call them by name. May you look any of them. You tell me their job, where they be the work, or where they the work for this revolution. None of them, they not become future. Their future, time where they be there like you, where you hold this gun for your early 20s, your late 30s, none of them, they not be hold the guns. None of them, they not be stand for somebody to fight for that freedom where you, today you fight for. Where today they fool you, somebody you go kill your own brother, instead for kill a Republic soldier. Them, they not be stand. They not be stand for take that gun them, for fight them. They be run, they come for diaspora. They be run, they come for white man country. But today the generation, where we call ourselves say the never again generation. We stand up, the generations, for your early 20s. We stand up. We don't say enough is enough. We don't take up weapons. We don't take on the battle. For some we fight for our independence. For some we fight for our freedom. We take up this fight. Some people when they don't lose value. They don't lose value. Technical department, I beg check yourself. Mute yourself, I beg technical team for back. Technical team, I beg mute yourself. Ogana Fowl. Ogana Fowl, I beg mute yourself. So, we people them, when we there for this revolution, may we not there, we think say, this revolution, now for the leaders, Ground zero soldiers. Ask yourself, say if Sako to Ayaba, they send you, may you go kill another fighter. Sako go come out for America, for Maryland. He come for ground zero. He can't fight. If they kill you, if Cho Ayaba, he send fighter, he come for ground, say me you go kill another person, the own fighter. Tomorrow, Cho Ayaba go come up for no way. He come down for ground zero. He can't fight. Ask yourself those questions. But because when una de shidong, they send una they go kill una own brother them. Una supposed to form a coalition, a team. For them, we gonna fight. For them, we gonna liberate ourselves. These people that were there for diaspora, I go release them. Sako e come. They need to work no nothing. None of them. They need to work no nothing. Their future, now for their past. Now for their past, it day. Their future, now for their past, it be day. They no begin future again. Revolution can give them place for some men get chop for chop, place for some men get a living, place for some men make noise. Their future, now their past, house they no be get. Look the people whether they fight saying that our leaders. I've looked them whether they get any humanitarian or any investment for ground zero. Where if they lost them, they go cry. Ask yourself these questions. Whether if these people, whether they call themselves leaders, they get any investment for ground zero, where if they lost them tomorrow, them go cry, none of them no get them. Cho Ayaba, where did he work? Nothing. I mean, totally nothing. They need to work, nothing. Then they fool you when you did for ground zero. You did for territory where you fight for defend yourself, for defend homeland, for say may you defend people. Why you will take that gun? You will take that gun and say you go don't shoot your brother, or you will take that gun and say you go take him, you shoot La Republique. Why you will pick up guns? All we want to fight for ground zero. Maybe we sit down, ask ourselves whether we not get anything for lose or for gain. We not ask ourselves, say we not want to go kill, we not save them. We not the fight now for weighty. What are you people fighting for? Are you fighting for the freedom of Southern Cameroons? Are you fighting to liberate Ambazonia, or you are fighting to defend ADF of Cho Ayaba? Or you are fighting to defend the big group of Sako Ekome? What are you fighting for? Ebenezer Kwanga, no job. And you go for them one after the other. No job. They are not working anything. They live because of the revolution. They are living because of the revolution. Una there for ground zero. Una there for ground zero. For fight. Defend yourself. Take control of that ground zero. You fight and you protect some leader. Which leader are you protecting? Where did them get Ayaba, Sako, Akwanga? Where did they get for ground zero? Where if they lose, they go regret for their lives. They go ever should also regret for the rest of their lives. What do they have? The answer is nothing. Nothing. They don't have anything. Bo Herbert, nothing. They don't get for ground zero. Now people with their future, now for their past, they be done already rated them, their vie. Their life will already end. They had nothing. They don't get nothing. They will not there for ground zero. For fight, defend. Fight, defend homeland. Fight, defend your own self, my fellow brothers and sisters. Defend your own self. Call your brothers, the men una shidong. Ask yourself, say, why that people there for diaspora, the fool we they take money for give women who fight, they take and chop. Ask yourself, there for ground zero. Now you the face bullet. Now you the sleep for bush. Now you the chop dirty chop. People there for one man country. They chop, drink beer, make birthday, make their begin their birthday them. Show una for video. Now una take the fight, say una the defend at them. Instead for defend homeland, it is unbelievable. Now the case una for ground zero. The case una for ground zero. The case una for ground zero una did so. Some people go there for one man country. They sleep. They are beginning to go school. They chop fine chop. They celebrate birthday them. Akwanga show a picky birthday. The other day celebrate picky birthday. You fighter, you sleep for bush. You don't know whether you will sleep wake up tomorrow. Then he call you for one man country say, go attack this other camp with them too. They fight now for your freedom. You come on, you go attack them. Are you normal? You then normal? You then normal upstairs? I be sorry to talk to fighters there for this kind of level. Because the fighter they need German would put sense for their head. We don't forget say we the fight now for our own freedom. The people who they do for one man country, they get 100%, 100% sure for say they go see Ambaland. But you, when you fight for ground zero, you get 0.1%. So you no go see Amba. I say you get 0.1%. So you no go see the freedom of Amazonia. Man go there for one man country. It will live your life. It will send you. Say go kill your brother. You go kill him. It send you. Go attack. You go attack him. They there for one man country. None of them. I repeat, none of them. If we not get with ground zero, all the fighters there for ground zero, if we not get mine, we not should do to say, we not go fight for 1 month until this leader, they all them so, they come for ground zero. I bet we not say no one. I repeat, no one. No one. You know go see ground zero. They will tell you that they won't end. None of them. Now fear people that chop broke pot them. Their future, now for their past. Una the fight, look the people on the toxin and leader them. Sako, Akwanga, Ayaba, Mohebet. Look all of them. Now all people, look una the fight. Una there for una early 20s to una late 30s. Now una that one the fight. Then grounds people go shit down. They send you go kill your brother. You come on go. All the leader them. Some people go to ask them, say why you know at Sisi Kufore? Yes, I know at Sisi Kufore list for jobless people. I know at Sisiku for list for jobless people. Sisiku will get a job where all we know. He was a lecturer in a university in Nigeria, American University for Nigeria, vice president for American University for Nigeria. He was not a jobless man. He was not a jobless man. He was not a jobless man. Look, all them when they arrest them. Look, all of them. The 10 of them when they there for inside Kondingi. Tell me anyone inside the 10 of them will be jobless man. Name one among the 10 of them when a jobless man. No one. No, they will be jobless. None. I repeat, none. All of them are well-to-do people. But on jobless people, you don't take revolution. It is full una for ground zero. It is full una. Una go attack the camp. Go attack the camp. I know what enter go into the nitty-gritties of what happened in Guzang. I know what enter go for which way happened for Batibo. But I blame you, fighter, When they call your name, tell you to go attack. They tell you to go attack your brother, you go attack you. People where they live for diaspora. I said, Grand Zero, if you don't want to know these people, who look them, the head they say leader, we now whole fight for 1 week. Say we not fight again until diaspora leader them. They can't now for Grand Zero can fight. They no go pass. They go tell us war end. They don't get their investment. They don't get their investment. They don't get their natural investment. They have their natural investment. They don't take money they chop. They should don't IC. They make speech for Facebook. Make speech every day. Now speech the freedom. Now speech the free una. Una they sleep for bush. For bush. I say you when you did for Grand Zero, when you fight, you hold gun, you get 0.1% for Siboya. 0.1%. But all we want for diaspora here, we get 100% for C Ambazonia. So analyze them. Ask me whether who you fight for. Are you fighting for a freedom? For your own freedom? Are you fighting for your freedom? Now your freedom you fight for or you fight for what? Na case? Na case? Say people go shidong. People go shidong for one man country. They tell you go attack your brother for you to go. I say I don't enter go for where to happen for Guzang. ADF whether you do it you. Now you where you remain for Ground Zero. You where you there for Ground Zero. Now you get problem. Man go there for one man country. I never celebrate birthday. When I see chop them, that's why you sleep for swimming pool with your woman. You sleep for bush. He said you go kill your brother. When you not here to fight for different country, when not dead together, you come out go kill him. Your brains at the talk today with a lot of anger in me. When I brain them for Ground Zero, they fight at them. When I know they're normal. Have you saw this I talk for when I free level? When I know they're normal. The people there, they don't get future. Their future now for their past today. All the leader them, their future of their past today. Exceptional, Sisiku. You can't be the work president for American University for Nigeria. Lecturer. The GCE. When are the right today, the person where he be put down he be build a website for that Cameroon GCE, where they call it Cameroon GCE. Now, Sisi Kutabe Ayoub build that website. He was a legend. He was a legend. Not be jobless people. Tied to them. CIC, president, chairman, sat and they all. Then we now there for one man country, for Ground Zero. For una go fight for una freedom. Una there to fight for diaspora. Wawa, una fight for diaspora. Una fight for diaspora. Una kill una save ya. Una kill una save fine. When una don't kill finish una save, la Republic said to the country. Now una go suffer. Go when la Republic take over, as una the shorten the fight at them. You don't go kill. Una don't go kill 4 today for Guzang. 4. Now shortage it go so. La Republic will take over. Then la Republic declare victory. Wow. For one man, we don't get problem. And it talk the reality for una. We don't get problem. We go shit off here. We chop. We sleep. We die the very way. Try have no go can't defend you. Try have no come down for fight. You know go come down. Kapu Daniel no go come down. Mela Franklin they no go come down. As you look as the way they talk, they no go come down. Prince Jekade they no go come down. When they don't kill us, so they finish, they no go come down. What did they get for Ground Zero? If they lost them, they go cry. What did they get? They don't get nothing. They don't get nothing. They were jobless people. Jobless people. When we look some more, so we will not fight for Ground Zero. will talk with una. I go even call una for phone. I go call una for phone. I go talk for una. I go talk for fighter. I go talk for general name. I don't go call general name. I go cry. Forget about we for one man country. Defend yourself. Fight, take over that territory. Take over that territory. Why you fight for defense of man for one man country? Why? Why? I don't tell you that even me, Don Pacho, if I call you, tell you say go kill some man, go attack some camp, record me, put up on social media, send the audio for WhatsApp forum them, make a play them for Facebook, send the audio all over, expose these people. Why? Why una the kill una self? What did it happen with una? Look, Sako begins of future. In future, now for he pass, he know the look no nothing. It is the person where they contribute that money, he pay house rent, he get a work for chop, he sleep. When he get for Grazero way, if they attack him, he go cry. Now the kind of thing that we now want to fight for Grazero, we not get for the ask for ourselves. What is Sako get? Nothing. What is Cho Ayaba he get for Grazero? Well, if they attack him, he go regret. A woman there will live for one man country. A beginning there will live for one man country. He live life for one man country. House, you know what bill for Ambazonia where they go born and go cry. What he get for Grazero? Nothing. Those are the things you need to analyze. Ebenezer Kwanga, the same. Bo Herbert, the same. The same. What do they have? Their future, now their past. Now the age group, we call ourselves say, never again generation. Never again generation. Now this age group from 18 to 40 years. Now we don't hold gun. You don't see Sako age mate hold gun for Bush. You don't see Bo Herbert, he age mate, he hold gun for Bush. You don't see Cho Ayaba age mate, he hold gun for Bush. You don't see Akwanga age mate, he hold gun for Bush. Say me una fight, free una self. Una say una want fight for diaspora. Wa again una fight for diaspora. Una fight defend diaspora. As well, una work na abi ADF. Abi country by country forces. Abi this. Wa una fight defend. Una defend diaspora. When they lost the war, now una for Grazero. Now una go suffer. And speak the truth for una. If they lost the war, now una go suffer. One more country. The person go wake up, he go to work. He come back, he sleep. He chop, he sleep. I wake up, I go my work. I come back, I chop, I sleep. You where you don't suck for Grazero. La République, they take una woman them. All my people for Isa Ambalana, they testify. La République soldier, they desist una woman, they owe her. When work, they go lost. Say if it happen, God forbid, if it happen, say we lost the war. I will see how una go marry sleep una woman them. Now they can't take una woman and hold her. Hold her. Go sleep out. Una no get voice to talk. Because you man you want to talk, they say you be amber. You want to talk, they say you be amber. They shoot you kill her. They tell your woman, they can't take off your face. Jumba Akuru, they talk at the other day. They can't take your woman for your face. Go sleep out. Therefore, una for all forces together with Grazero. Say, may we fight, send this, chase these enemies away. We instead turn. And they defend Ayaba. And they defend Sako. We not defend them. Why we not defend them? When I make video, I say, me the Grazero caught up. They go call the coach people, say, they talk about Sako. We not defend Sako, no. We never talk for Grazero. We not defend them. We not defend Ayaba. We not defend Unasai. We not defend them. When they give una political education on how to fight a revolution, una then for say una want wawa una defend them. Una defend them. Una defend. Now the revolution this. This is the Ambazonian revolution. This is the Ambazonian revolution. It's a sad situation. It's a sad situation. Our forefathers, them, Endele, Jwa, Muna, Foncha, they be failed for giving independence for 1961. They be failed because of disunity. Because they go for United Nations. Endele return say, man, we go Nigeria. Foncha say, we go join La République. PM Kale say, independent. We be big divided so that United Nations, it put two questions. That a very scenario this so. For we for correct the rights of the past, we don't decide. For instead, furthermore, instill the past, make it continue. We don't decide for instill the past, make it continue. Division, division. They will cry every day. The international community is not talking. The international community is not doing anything. What do you want the international community to do? What do you want the international community to do? The international community will not talk. They won't. The international community will not talk. They will not. They will not talk. If we cannot sit, as a people, if we cannot sit as a people to unite our people, to stand as a people, then we cannot, we are not ready for freedom. We are not ready for freedom. We are not ready for freedom. You can come and sit and you are watching, you are insulting. I laugh at all of you. I laugh at all of you. When I see you people commenting, writing rubbish, I laugh at all of you. Because you don't even know the Don Pacho you are talking about. You go and you are defending the likes of Capo Daniels, the likes of people who cannot stand in front of Don Pacho. I look at you, I laugh at you. I did what the Capo Daniels could not do in their youthful age. I'm still a very vibrant youth. I did what those people could not do. My records are there in Bamenda, 208. That is 2008. My records are there. Some people will just can't join fight. The disturb revolution. The disturb, the instigate. Many people go fight among themselves. If you know that you feel fight, take gun. You were there for one man country. Take gun, go ground zero. If you know that you feel fight, take gun, go ground zero. Take gun, go ground zero. Not remember for social media. The instigate in fighting. For you to talk, make these boys them understand themselves, make them love themselves, make them they at one for defend their homeland where you go come up for diaspora. You go come up for the women country, go back for there. You instead make a minute to kill yourself them. Una help La Republic do their good job. Una help La Republic do their good job. Help La Republic to do their great job. Help La Republic and do their good job for them. Now work that way will be good at. That is the work Ambazonians are good at. The truth is bitter but must be spoken. When we talk the truth, we say something else. My fellow Southern Cameroonians, the great people of Ambazonia, the one is the way they stand for say make we there as one. The one them where they stand, say make we unite. My dear people, the unity, we don't forget about these so-called people where they don't put themselves, CIC, them put themselves, cheer people, say they believe in them. We don't forget them. We don't leave them for one side. all the leader, all the group they were, now them defeat refugees for Nigeria. Skew, Mau, Consortium, the group that were defeat refugees for Nigeria, they don't come out together as one. They don't unite. The one that they defeat were prisoners, them, were internally displaced. Berlin and Babylon Foundation them, they don't unite. All the CSO them, they don't unite with the NGOs. All of them don't unite. On the 28th, that is Saturday, 4 p.m. Amber time, they did launch which way they call and say a one-pot funding. They did launch one-pot funding. Nobody put your money again for this, I can't cry. We know why here Eric Tokato said that this. We want all man, you go put money for one-pot funding on the 28th of November of this month. All we for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. We are to launch the one-pot funding. One-pot funding. All we go put our money for day. We will put our money for day. Now transparency. The motto for day is transparency and accountability. As you put your money, you see them. As they move the money, you see them. If they don't tell you who's where the money go, you ask question. You ask question. One pot funding on the 28th of November 2020, the Southern Cameroon's International Town Hall. We go gather for day. One pot funding. We go fund the revolution for day. We don't give money again for no man. No man. Yes. Now this CSO them with this NGO them. Now them go shit down. The drop budget now say money to go for this side. Yeah, you go. Money go for this side. Yeah, you go. No more calling of group. We not did it again. We not did it again. Leader they will remember una leadership. People when they want to go to club hand, CIC, president, una go to club hand for them. We the people, the Southern Cameroon's people, the people of Ambazonia, we now for one pot funding. We there now for one pot funding now. We know that we again. We know that we again. For say we go salute your man say president. We go salute your man say leader. We not get leader for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. All we are leaders. We take decisions together. We fight together. Before they want this money, we vote the money together. Now so it go be. Before they want to do anything, we there together. Now together, Ambazonia is one. We the people of Southern Cameroon, we are one. So we go now for one pot funding. We go now for one pot funding on the 28th. Every Ambazonian, Southern Cameroon's International Town Hall, it invite all man as from 4 p.m. Amber time. I will put the link for SCBC go broadcast them live. The link go there for SCBC. The link go there for my personal page. I have Sima Don Pacho. The link go there for there. Everything you go there for there. We know there again for say CIC, president this, chairman this. We not get time for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. Now we the people. You decide for Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. We did it. Now for say, make we put revolution back on track from the hands of these thieves, scammers, and manipulators. We are not begging them. We call you and by name. We call you by name. On the 28th, all we will go for town hall. We go register. You will want register for the Guinea $10. You register. You will want register for the Guinea $20 every month. You register. You will want register for the Guinea $50 every month. You register. You will want register for the Guinea $100 every month. You register. We want put a system where every month Ambazonia, will get 100,000. La Republic, we kick them out. We not there again for this. Mago say draft my trip to Boya. This no, now we go to contribute our money. We go register. Everybody, we go register for day. We go register. You place your own. You put your account. Say every month, una move me na $5. Oh. Every month, una move me na $20. Oh. Every month, una move me na $50. Oh. Now so we want to am now. We know they again for Mago. No Mago for the revolution. Mago don't Kiwi. Mago the Kiwa fighter. Group affiliation Kiwa fighter. People Kiwa fighter. Scammer and Kiwa fighter. Yay, Abazonia. Abazonia, they cause we. Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. 28, Saturday the 28th, 4 p.m. Every Ambazonian with the meet up for day. We go there. Me said Don Pancho, I go there. And I go knock Tori, I go knock Panapo. I go put on my hand. They go say Don Pancho, yes, I talk. I go talk my own belly. Because that morning all we go decide, we not get leader for day. If I not see, if they don't you know, answer for my ear, Don Pancho go put behind. They say, yes, Don Pancho talk, Don Pancho go talk. They say, yes, Don Pancho talk. Now so again for Bina. Now so again for Bina. Not you know day again. So we go give money for yeah. We wait result. No. We give money where AMF Day we receive the Unite fighters. You where you want unite, you come. All of us, we are one. Aje brothers, are we together? We are one. Hey, we are together. We are one. Ambazonians, are we together? We are one. Hey, we are together. We are one. One pot funding on the 28th. On the 28th of November 2020, 4 p.m. Amber time, Southern Cameroon International Town Hall. We are one. We go for the we fund. Now we enter for the nitty-gritties. For these people where they call themselves La République. You where you the one say you want stand say for that, say you want be regional councillor. You where you stand say you want be regional councillor. At the start and with you warning. And you stand up say you want be regional councillor. May your family advise you fine. What? May your family advise you fine. We know they again for big person. We get all una name them for list. We remove una for game. We not beg you. We remove you for game. We not get prison for cash you go keep up for day. When we cash you, we move you for game. As we hold you where you go stand say you stand regional election. We remove you for game. We delete you. I don't get plenty message for talk. No election for Amberland. We know the call lockdown. No lockdown, no day. Now, councillor already go vote their regional councillor. So we not going to step people. We know say what people they know. Say day for election at Ghost Town. They go shit up for us on the 6th. They don't people that call me, don't patch you. We not need to tell we lockdown. For we go shit up for us on the 6th. We go there for us. On the 6th, we not shit up for us. We know that one. The law for Amberland. All Ambazonia territory. On the 6th, they go shit on there for us. You where you go vote, we get a camera, no. Amber get camera all over. We get a camera them all over. We camera them. It is cash all man. As we see you where you go vote, we go pick you. We just move you. We just move you for game. As we pick you, we move you for game. As we pick you, we move you for game. That's what the plan is. We don't get time again. We know they can say, we take some man, go to make video, he talk, wait, he talk. We know they make video again. As we take you, your family cry. As we take you, your family cry. Where is he? Oh, we are looking for. You go see Yondo Selele for your time. Yondo. Now Yondo Selele, they go sing. That's what they now. We know they get for say, one take some man, go make video, this, that, no. Yondo Selele, they go sing them. They must sing Yondo Selele for your head. That's what they think they now. We know the beg La Republic again. But for Ground Zero, we never call lockdown. We not go out, we not normal businesses. We not normal activities. We not carry out we not normal activities. Lockdown no day. Yes. But you where they catch you, they see you on the selele for your die. Finish. You where they catch you, they see you on the selele. Finish. We not be worry ourselves plenty again. As they catch you, you on the selele. It end for day. We continue. We are at war. For war time, they need to beg. For war time, they need to beg. They need to beg. Why would we go for beg you for war time? We need to beg you. We don't get nothing for beg you. Why would beg you say no go vote? You know the history. Oh, una they say una want stand regional election. Una want stand. Una want go vote. Una know the history of Southern Cameroon. No be Don Pasho go can't teach una. Don Pasho no go BB book. Don Pasho no go BB book. For can't teach una say Southern Cameroon be so be an independent country. I no get that time again. Or you wake up Pekin now for primary school, ask the history of Southern Cameroon. He will give you. He'll give you the history of Southern Cameroon. Because he did everywhere. All man know him. But if we hold you, your family is in your Ndoselele, they must say, where is he? Where is she? They go sing him. Finish. Finish. That's what they think of today. Finish. Then for that people, where they say may they go attack PWD Football Club of Bamenda. That people, where they say may they go attack PWD Football Club of Bamenda. All we know say PWD Club of Football Club of Bamenda. Now the club of the Abakwa people. We know the support them when they play La République Football League. We know the support them. But you look who's again there. Abakwa all the support the Abakwa boys. All Bamenda the support Abakwa boys. Remember no pass for PWD corner. We will leave them. When we don't take country, that time we will ask they say who's would have been there. They know they will for politics. They score goal for Libya, they wake up hand for up. Say they did in solidarity for we begin with the killer for Gabu. And when we look their flag, now technical amber. So why would I worry them? They go show a flag for international well? When I leave PWD. Restoration forces, may una no pass for PWD corner. Una leave PWD. They get match where they play with Kaizer Chiefs of this place for South Africa. Now CAF Champions League. Una leave them. Una leave them. May man no attack them. Well, I don't take live now for more than 1 hour. I don't want to make this live show over long, but I go and say on the 28th of November, make all we 4 p.m. Amber time. SCBC go put the link. Mrs. Don Pasho, I go put the Zoom link for my Facebook page. Make all we go for day. We make our voices heard. For day, chairman no day. CIC no day. President no day. Now one port funding. All we go there. We go there. For day, if you the yes or T know the answer 5 for your ear, dictator no day, you wake up your hand. They say yes, Don Pasho. This thing where when I talk the go so. You know correct for me, oh. Make us look saying that how we go do for fix and so come for here, go for there, go for here. Climb for Boya Mountain, come down, go for Momo, come for up, we go fix that all we. For there no be some man go she don't say I be president this. I give command say I sign executive order say this thing must be na so. Or CIC say I give command say when they go attack forces for Guza, it must may we meet on the 28th of November. May all we will meet. and we make our voices make it be heard. Thank una for the soldiers and for Ground Zero. I don't give una the message. Una respect una self. Una respect other sister and brotherly forces, and una fight as one. Una forget these people with the white man country. Una forget these people with the white man country. May we stay blessed. Next week, I will come again for say me with knock story. By that time, SCBC go run day back for satellite. We go open lines where people go to call, they will give their own opinion. Una support SCBC. Una know say if una no help we no go fit help una. Na the hand they watch the other one. Una support we, may we unite, may we put back SCBC for satellite. We not get people where they advertise for SCBC who go get money for pay. So we beg una come support we, may we push up together. Ambazonians, we are one. Thank una stay blessed. We will meet again next week. Ciao.
Fighting for one nation.